kung ikaw si DOJ, ikaw si NBI, na gusto mong ma-enforce itong ICC warrant na ito, at ang sinasabi ng Senado, hindi, we will only honor ang local warrant na manggagaling sa ating RTC. Saan ka dudulog? Ano ba yan? Obligado ka bang pumunta ngayon sa local court para humingi ng local warrant dito? Is that possible? Yan ba ang maaring gawin ng DOJ?
Yes, the Department of Justice can do that, no? Apply for the issuance of a warrant of arrest, or an order rather, directing the implementation of the ICC warrant. And that if that is issued, then that will be the one served, that will be honored supposedly, according to it, no, the Senate, by the Senate, so that Senator De La Rosa as person will be surrendered to the NBI. Iba kasi yung sitwasyon before CONTED insofar as the former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte is concerned. Remember na yung circumstances noon bumaba pa lang siya sa aeroplano, galing siya sa Hong Kong, sinalubong na siya, meron ng ICC warrant, dinaretso na siya doon sa aeroplano, sasakyan niya papunta ng The Hague. Ito iba Iba yung sitwasyon dito. Ibig sabihin, meron pang pagkakataon ang our law enforcers, no, the one trying to implement the service of the ICC warrant upon Senator Bato de la Rosa, to go to our local courts, because that is, as I said, the way I read, the way I understand the provision of Section 17, yung primary jurisdiction is with the custodial state to enforce the ICC warrant. In fact, Section 18, if you will read Section 18, our courts, our prosecutors can even conduct its own or their own independent investigation or proceeding respect of the ICC warrant.
Mga kapatid, patuloy po kayong tumutok sa 105.9 True FM para sa totoong balita, impormasyon, music and entertainment. Mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel at podcast at sundan nyo kami sa Facebook, Instagram, X at TikTok sa True Network PH. Bisitahin din po ang aming official website, truefm.ph. At panoorin din kami sa True TV Signal, Channel 19. Kami po ang 105.9 True FM. Laging true sa'yo, kapatid.